Ever wondered who's behind the magic of the Gemini app? The AI that's changing the way we interact with information, write, and even create? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the minds and the mission behind this groundbreaking technology. Now, you might be thinking, isn't Gemini Google's AI? And you'd be absolutely right. Gemini is Google's most advanced and versatile large language model yet. But let's break down who exactly within Google is driving this incredible innovation. The development of Gemini is a collaborative effort involving a vast team of brilliant minds across Google. Think of it as a symphony orchestra where each individual plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious and powerful AI. At the heart of Gemini are researchers pushing the boundaries of AI. These are the visionaries who are constantly exploring new architectures, developing cutting-edge algorithms, and fine-tuning models to achieve unprecedented levels of performance. But research is just one piece of the puzzle. Engineers play a vital role in translating those groundbreaking ideas into a robust and scalable product. They build the infrastructure that allows Gemini to function efficiently and reliably, ensuring a seamless user experience. And let's not forget the designers who craft the user experience. They're the ones who make interacting with Gemini an intuitive and enjoyable process, ensuring that the technology is accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Ultimately, Gemini is a testament to the power of collaboration. It's a product of countless hours of research, engineering, and design, all driven by a shared passion for pushing the boundaries of AI. The potential applications of Gemini are truly vast and exciting. From revolutionizing healthcare and education to accelerating scientific discovery and tackling global challenges, Gemini has the potential to transform our world in profound ways. Imagine a future where AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, personalize education for every student, and help scientists develop groundbreaking new materials. This is the vision that drives the team behind Gemini. The journey of Gemini is still very much ongoing. The team continues to iterate and improve the model, exploring new capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Whether you're a writer, a student, a researcher, or simply someone curious about the future of AI, Gemini offers a glimpse into the incredible potential of this transformative technology. So, who owns the Gemini app? Google does. And behind that app is a dedicated team of researchers, engineers, and designers working tirelessly to push the boundaries of AI and create a future where technology empowers us all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.